Now Caillou, we want you to be on your best behavior at Mr. Hinkle's house, while your mom and I drop off Rosie at the daycare center. Your mom and I are going to work.
Okay, Mom and Dad, I promise I will.
That's a good boy. You better be. Because if you don't, you will be grounded even more bigger time.
We love you, Caillou. Bye-bye.
We'll see you later, Caillou. Bye.
Goodbye, everyone. Now here comes the fun part.
Good morning, Caillou. How are you doing today?
Good morning, Grandpa. I'm doing fine, thank you.
Did you just call me Grandpa?
Yep, I sure did, Grandpa.
Don't call me Grandpa, Caillou.
Why not, Grandpa?
My name is not Grandpa, and I am not your Grandpa. My name is Mr. Hinkle. Call me Mr. Hinkle. If you call me Grandpa one last time, I will call your parents.
Okay, whatever, Grandpa.
That did it, Caillou. I am calling your parents right now. Hello, are you the parents of Caillou? Apparently, your son Caillou kept calling me Grandpa. I don't ever want to see him here again. Can you come pick him up? Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Your parents are on their way over.
We're very sorry, Mr. Hinkle. I guarantee that this won't happen again. Let's go home right now, Caillou. Caillou, that was pretty stupid of you to call Mr. Hinkle Grandpa. What the heck is wrong with you? That's it. You are more grounded extendedly for 1 year.
Go to your room and stay in your bed forever.